Dedication to My Ex is a 64 count 4-wall dance. First section, you're going to start with a right rock, so rocking out to the right, followed by a syncopated weave. Ready, and side rock, behind side cross. Now we're almost going to mirror that, so we're going to do a left rock and then a syncopated weave with a quarter turn, behind turn step. Second section, forward rock on the right, followed by a half shuffle to 9 o'clock. This is forward rock, half shuffle. Now we're going to step on the left and do a 3/4 spiral turn. So you're stepping forward on the left, you're being pulled round by your right shoulder, pivoting on the ball of the left foot as you hook the right over the left 3/4. Then you step forward on the right and point the left. Okay, so I'll go over that again. Forward rock on the right, ready, and forward rock, half shuffle, step 3/4 spiral, step on the right, point the left. Let's add that on from the beginning. Right rock, behind side cross, 5, 6, 7, and right rock, behind side cross, left rock, behind turn step, forward rock, half shuffle, step 3/4 spiral, step on the right, point the left. Your third section from the first wall will start facing 6 o'clock. So I'm going to turn around and face the other way so you can see what's happening. So you just finished section 2, stepping forward on the right and pointing the left. Section 3, step forward on the left, point the right to the right side, make a sailor quarter turn to the right, sailor quarter turn, and then you finish with bumping toe struts. So you're going to touch the left, bump the left hip up, step down, touch the right toe forward, bump the hip up and step down. Just bumping toe struts. Okay, so if we go from the end of section 2, you step forward on the right and point the left. 5, 6, 7, and step, point. Now section 3, step, point, sailor quarter turn, touch, bump, step, touch, bump, step. Okay, you'll be doing that facing 6 o'clock. So we can try that now, facing 6, step forward on the right and point the left, which is what you'll be doing when you finish section 2. Then step forward on the left and point the right to start section 3. 5, 6, 7, and step, point, sailor quarter turn, touch, bump, step, touch, bump, step. Now you're facing 9 o'clock. So we put it together from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, and side rock, behind side cross, side rock, behind turn step, forward rock, half shuffle, step 3/4 spiral, step, point, sailor quarter turn, touch, bump, step, touch, bump, step. That's your first 3 sections. Section 4, forward rock on the left, and then a quarter shuffle to 6 o'clock, then a cross rock chasse, cross rock, side close side. Let's take it from the top. 5, 6, 7, and side rock, behind side cross, side rock, behind turn step, forward rock, half shuffle, step 3/4 spiral, step, point, sailor quarter turn, touch, hip, step, forward rock, quarter chasse, cross rock, side close side. Section 5 will start facing 6 o'clock. I'm just going to show you facing this way so you can see what I'm doing. Going to do a touch, hook, step. So touch the left in front of the right, hook the left over the right leg and step the left down. Step forward on the right and half pivot onto the left. Okay, so touching the left, touch, hook, step, half pivot. Now we mirror that. So leading with the right, touch, hook, step, half pivot. You've ended with the weight in the right. Let's take it from the top. Rocking out to the right, 5, 6, 7, and side rock, behind side cross, side rock, behind turn step, forward rock, half shuffle, step 3/4 spiral, half shuffle, step 3/4 spiral, step, point, say a quarter turn, touch, bump, step, forward rock, quarter shuffle, cross, rock, side close, side, touch, step, half pivot, touch, hook, step, half pivot. Section 6, I'll show you facing 12 o'clock. You're going to start with a left mambo. So left mambo, then a right mambo, Back lock back, leading with the left, back lock back, kicking the right towards the right diagonal, kick, step the right down, ball, cross. Okay, so left mambo, right mambo, ready, and left mambo, right mambo, back lock back, kick, ball, cross. That's your section 6. So you'll do that facing 6 o'clock when you're dancing wall 1. So if we do that now facing 6 o'clock, starting with your left mambo, 5, 6, 7, and left mambo, right mambo, back lock back, kick, ball, cross. Now let's just take that from the section before, which is your toe hook step section. You'll be facing 6 o'clock, you touch the left toe forward and then hook, 5, 6, 7, and toe hook step, half pivot, toe hook step, half pivot, left mambo, right mambo, back lock back, kick, ball, cross. Section 7, again, I'll show you facing 12 so you can see what's going on. You've just finished from your kick, ball, cross, You take a side rock, right rock, then heel switches, heel and heel, step back on the left and together with the right, back, together, point and point, then a clap, 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 clap. So you started with a side rock, heel switches, heel and heel, back, together, point and point, clap, clap. I'll do it for you with the timing. So side rock 1, 2, so it's 1, 2, heels 3 and 4, 3 and 4, coming back together, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So from one coming back, it's all syncopated. I'll do that for you again, 5, 6, 7, and side rock, heel and heel, back together, point and point, clap, clap. So now practice that section facing 6 o'clock. So you're going to rock out to the right into your heel switches. 5, 6, 7, and side rock, heel and heel, back together, point and point, clap, clap. Now let's take it from the toe hook step section. So you're facing 6, you're going to touch the left toe forward, 5, 6, 7, and toe hook step, half pivot, toe hook step, half pivot. Mambos, left mambo, right mambo, back lock back, kick, ball, cross, side rock, heel and heel, back together, point and point, clap, clap. So for the last section, again, I'll show you facing 12 o'clock. So you've just done your point, clap, 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 clap. Now you're going to cross right over left for cross sides. It's cross, side, then a weave taking the right behind, side, cross, side rock out to the left, recover onto the right, and a coaster quarter to the left. Okay? So you'll be facing 6 o'clock when you're dancing wall 1. You've got the weight in the left, pointing right out, just on your clap, 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 clap. Cross right over left, cross side, behind side, cross. Ready, and cross, side, behind side, cross. Now a left rock and a coaster quarter, turning left to 3 o'clock. Okay? So now if we take it from your toe hook step section, weight on the right, facing 6 o'clock, touching the left toe forward, 5, 6, 7, and toe hook step, half pivot, toe hook step, step half pivot mambo's left mambo, right mambo, back lock back, kick ball cross, side rock, heel and heel, back together point and point clap clap, cross, side behind side cross, side rock, coaster quarter. You should be facing 3 o'clock. This dance is travelling clockwise around the room. I'll go through the routine with the counts for you. 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Let's dance your second wall, starting facing 3 o'clock. Rocking out to the right, 5, 6, 7 and side rock, behind side cross, side rock, behind turn step, forward rock, half shuffle, step 3/4 step, point, say the quarter turn, touch hip bump, forward rock, chasse quarter, cross rock, side close side, toe hook step, step half pivot, toe hook step, step half pivot, left mambo, right mambo, back lock back, kick ball cross, side rock, heel and heel, back together point and point clap clap, cross, side behind side cross, side rock, coaster quarter. Let's dance wall 3, facing 6 o'clock. Rocking out to the right, 5, 6, 7 and side rock, behind side cross, side rock, behind turn step, forward rock, half shuffle, step 3/4 spiral step, point, say the quarter turn, touch hip bump, forward rock, chasse quarter, cross rock, side close side, toe hook step, step half pivot, toe hook step, step half pivot, left mambo, right mambo, back lock back, kick ball cross, side rock, heel and heel, back together point and point clap clap, cross, side behind side cross, side rock, coaster quarter. Practice wall 4, facing 9 o'clock. Side rock out to the right, 5, 6, 7 and side rock, behind side cross, side rock, behind turn step, forward rock, half shuffle, step 3/4 step, point, say the quarter turn, touch hip step, forward rock, chasse quarter, cross rock, side close side, toe hook step, step half pivot, toe hook step, step half pivot, left mambo, right mambo, back lock back, kick ball cross, side rock, heel and heel, back together point and point clap clap, cross, side behind side cross, side rock, coaster quarter.
I really shouldn't blame her, but now
5, 6, 7 and side rock, behind side cross, side rock, behind turn step, forward rock, half shuffle, step 3/4 step, point, say the quarter, toe hip bump, forward rock, chasse quarter, cross rock, side close side, toe hook step, step half pivot, toe hook step half pivot, left mambo, right mambo, back lock back, kick ball cross, side rock, heel and heel, back to the point and point clap clap, cross, side behind side toe hook step, step hop in, toe hook flip, step hop in, left mambo, right mambo, back rock back, kick or cross, side rock, heel and kick, back step quick and point back tap, cross side, hindside cross, side rock, coast to quarter, side rock, hindside cross, side rock, hindside step, forward rock, up shuffle, step three quarters, step quick, sailor quarter, toe hip bump, forward rock, chassé quarter, cross rock, cyclo side, toe hook step, step hop hook, toe hook step, step hop hook, left mambo, right mambo, back rock back, kick or cross, side rock, heel and kick, back to the quick, back back, cross side, hindside cross, side rock, coast to quarter, side rock, hindside cross, side rock, hindside step, forward rock, half shuffle, step three quarters, step quick, step quick, sailor point, toe hip bump, forward rock, chassé quick, cross rock, cyclo side, toe hook step, step hop pivot, left mambo, right mambo, back rock back, kick or cross, side rock, heel and kick, back get quick and point back cross side, hindside cross, side rock, coast to quarter, side rock, hindside cross, side rock, hindside step, forward rock, up shuffle, step three quarters, step point, sailor point, toe hip bump, forward rock, chassé point, cross rock, cyclo side, toe hip bump, step hop. Well done.